Hello everyone. So for today, I am going to be trying to make these into, or this piece of wallpaper into page corners. This is a part of the JEC 49 challenge, and it's a wallpaper page corner challenge. So I'm just going to cut this up so I'm not having as much wallpaper here. Right now, one piece of paper at a time. How's that sound? All right. I want these to be where I need them in size. So I wanted it to be around 4 inches. So yeah, it's around 4 inches. All right. I think maybe my thing here will help straighten it a little bit, maybe. A little bit straighter, anyways. And okay. Got them to like that. Now we're going to go this way. Okay, we got 4 corners for right now. That sounds good enough for me because we're going to have to, I'm going to glue them onto a piece of paper to make sure that they're a little bit more sturdy. I really just need to open my new one, don't I? I know. I just need to do it. Break the ice with that one. New one. Actually, what I really do is just switch the caps around, but either way. Again, this is a great way to use up your old book pages, is by using them for backing. It's a wonderful way of using old book pages, and it works really, really well, actually. Just taking them pieces and throwing them away. Alright. Okay, we got our 4. That, and like this. How did I mess this one up? Okay, so this one needs to be like this, and this one, the wider side needs to be I do not know how I didn't do this right. I made them both the same way is what I did. Oh well. Now, with these ones, I'm just gonna do with a L in back of it, R. This way I know what when I go to put them on the page, I know already which way they're gonna go. And this one, I could just do this. I'm gonna do that. R. O. It's a great way of using your marker too, that way. So I'm going to distress them now, just because I think they'll look better distressed. I love trying new things, as you know, and a part of me trying new things is by just using what I have and doing some of these challenges that people put up on Facebook groups and all that jazz. It makes it more fun, honestly. It gets you to think outside of your normal box. And it's a good way to learn new techniques without working too hard on it, I guess. Or feeling like you're not doing enough on it. I was just thinking this washi tape would be rather pretty on there. Let's see what other ones I have here. I like that one. Yeah, I'm going to use the washi tape with these ones. These are washi tape stickers. You can easily get them on AliExpress. You can even find them on Amazon. You can find them on Etsy stores. I mean, anywhere where you're going shopping online, basically, you can find them. All you have to do is look up washi tape stickers. So, if you're ever looking for washi tape stickers, just look up washi tape stickers. You're gonna be bound to find some kind. One thing I do like about washi tape stickers, rather than not buying them, is they're much easier to use than your ephemera that you have to fussy cut, because if you're anything like me, you hate doing it. And when you're doing something basic like this, it emphasizes the wallpaper, because I think the wallpaper is actually kind of pretty, but that's sometimes all what you want to do is emphasize it. So now I'm going in here and seeing if there's anything cute or fun that we could add that's sticker wise on here. I haven't really went to the back here, so I'm gonna head towards it and see what I can find. Because I keep on grabbing it and then going from the front, and I never really grab it from the back and try to look through the back and see if I find anything that I like in the back. Ooh, this would be fun. This would definitely give it that vintage charm to it a little bit. There. Yeah, I try. We don't always find the perfect, but I think this floral look definitely is fun. So this is more than likely going to be an extra video for a day. I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll find out. But yeah, you can easily use wallpaper and stickers. It's fun, easy. I like using leaving the wallpaper a little bit more plain, just because, again, I think wallpaper is pretty in the first place. But this also makes it easy with having it glued down on a piece of paper. When it comes down to gluing this corner page pocket, or tuck I should say, it will be much easier to glue down. Unless I decide I'm going to sew these, which I might actually sew around these ones. Just because I think it being sewn around too will give it a little bit extra oomph to it. So, this is where I grab 2 paper clips so I can make sure I put them in the right spot in my sewing area. I have a tiny little tray of things that I need to sew, crafting wise, so these stick together, or stay together, even if they're not going to be used necessarily, you know, even though I'm sewing them in 2 separate things, they're still a grouping when I go to sew them. So I hope you enjoyed this video, quick and easy. Enjoy the rest of your day or night. Please like, subscribe, comment, and also go to my shop. I try to keep things cheap. It's mostly junk journal stuff at this point. There are digitals in there, and it's My Hope Craft Shop. And also I have a podcast on Anchor. And you can watch it on Spotify and the Apple Music or Apple thing for podcasting. And it's called Let's Craft Today. And that's where I go through and talk about the different crafting things you could do. And how I go about them and different things like that. I didn't want to do junk journals mainly for everything. So, and I also have a blog that should have a link down below, and I mainly do my design team challenges on that. So I, again, hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!